When you take a closer look at the most common road problems, such as potholes, cracking, rutting, and shoving, it's generally not the asphalt itself that is to blame. It's the base. However, most common repair methods merely fill in the holes, seal the cracks, or cover it up with an additional layer of asphalt called an overlay. Over time, this accumulation eventually needs to be milled down to make room for yet another overlay. All the while, the real problem of failing or insufficient base is never addressed. So it's just a matter of time, and the holes, cracks, rutting, and shoving reappear in a seemingly never-ending cycle. Eventually, the road may need to be rehabilitated, requiring all of the asphalt and underlying material to be removed, hauled away, and new material to be hauled in, both of which are very costly and time-consuming. Full-depth reclamation, which has been around since the 60s, is simply the process of pulverizing an asphalt surface, along with all of its holes, cracks, and ruts, into a reusable material that is uniformly blended and incorporated into the insufficient or failing base, adding both volume and structure. If even greater stabilization is required, a variety of additives such as gravel, road base, cement, or other stabilizing materials can easily be incorporated. This homogeneous mixture can now be reshaped and, most importantly, recompacted, providing a more stable base. Finally, a new layer of chip seal or asphalt is applied, resulting in a more durable, longer-lasting, and smoother road for a small fraction of the cost of rehabilitation. Full-depth reclamation has been proven to be faster, less expensive, and longer-lasting. Rehabilitation projects that would normally take a week or more can be done in as little as 1 day. Cost savings average 70% or more because of the time saved, as well as from reusing existing materials in place. Best of all, now that you've solved the base problem, not just covered it up, the results will last years longer.
Very simple, very easy. We're using cement, and the truck shields up and we spread the cement. We hook onto the zipper with the loader. And we begin our mixing process. The machine is extremely easy to use. We have one to spot and one to operate the loader. They love it. To do 700 foot, 30 foot wide takes about 2.5 hours. The material coming out from after it's being mixed is the great plus to the machine, is that you have control of your aggregate size by the speed of the machine. Once we have it all mixed, and we using a motor grader and a water truck, we process water into it and lay it back down, and it's usually for 600 foot is